what will happen is she can tell each one of us what is our present state, what was our past, what is our present, and what is going to happen in the future. So how is she able to do that? It is again not about, it's not about patterns, but it is about the subconscious. Because I was explaining this to Nasilia the other day. uh, our subconscious is very good. It needs, if you want to listen to your subconscious, sometimes our subconscious needs a trigger. What is a trigger? If you want to shoot a bullet, you need to press the trigger, then the bullet goes away. In the same way, our subconscious needs triggers to get activated. So for example, what example I give? Yeah. So for example, I'm talking to you. Let me take my tarot card reading. Okay, so I got some cards here. So they're called tarot cards. Let me do a reading. These are called tarot cards. So let me do a reading for you. Who wants a reading? So reading means, let me tell you what is going to be a past, present, future, whatever. In other words, in Christian terms, let me prophesy on you. So who wants a reading quickly? No one wants a reading. I can't hear anybody. Or people are mute also. No
If
one wants a
nobody
reading.
wants, then I want.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Conrad wants. Okay, so let me
Yes.
let me let me take a reading for you. Okay, let me. So look at this. I'm just going to take one card. I'm not even looking at what the card is. I'm going to look at. I'm going to take another card, and I'm going to take another card. Okay, you'll be able to see. Let me change the.
Yes. Yes.
Let me change. Okay, so I took three cards
Okay.
for you, Conrad, and I look at the
Yes,
cards.
please.
This is uh, okay. They are all okay. So now I'm seeing this card. They have some pictures over here. I'm seeing this card. Okay, and I'm seeing okay, and I'm seeing this card. This is your page of alchemist. Okay, now you see this is your past. This is your present. This is your future. Now let me interpret to you. Look at your. I'm seeing your past. Your past shows me. Look at this. There are all snakes here. Dragon is here.
Yes.
Snake is here. So the moment I see this, I feel the Lord is telling me there has been a lot of demonic attacks over your life. You have been maybe a lot of snakes in your life, in your dreams, and all that stuff, uh, and all that stuff. Okay, and yeah. So I see something like that. That you were. My eyes went over here, and I felt that you were first totally caught up into uh, ungodly things. Okay, this is your present, I feel. And what is the present? The hermit. And in this I'm seeing presently you are very closely connected with God. You are very closely connected with Christ. And I feel right now in your present times you are in a phase like a hermit, means you are isolated. You are isolated, and you have a deeper relationship with only Christ, and you don't you are isolated with Christ, and you are not connected to the society outside, because you're completely connected with God. Okay, and and to be precise, you're quarantined like a hermit.
Hmm.
Correct? You're quarantined like a hermit, like a monk. You're quarantined, you're isolated. So see how precise this is. And this is your future. This is your future. Look, I have not looked at the cards. I just picked it up and kept it. This is your future. And it says a page of alchemist, and this guy is having a key. Look at this. He's having a key, and he's standing on a book, and he's something called as Biblia here, means Bible. So I believe after this season of yours, you will get some keys and a revelation, and you will stand on that knowledge. Look here. You will have knowledge of the Bible and scriptures and knowledge of other things, of alchemy, of your studies and education, and you will have keys to your success. And I see the number 11, which is for me synchronization and angelic number. That means you will have a lot of angelic assistance and backup to it. Okay, does it make sense?
Yes, perfect. Yes,
You see, it makes sense. I just did,
yes, yes. The snakes.
isn't it? Yeah, snakes, tell me what.
Previously, I used to get dreams of snake.
Okay, so see this accuracy, and then present card also is accurate, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And so the future card will also be accurate, because the past has been accurate, the present has been accurate, and the future has also will also be accurate. So look at this accuracy. These cards were all down. Okay, let me show you how they were. So these cards were all down like this, no pictures. When you lift the card only you come to know. So that's
Hmm.
the accuracy of the cards. You understand? So now runes are like these cards. Runes are like these cards. Each rune has a meaning to it. So now same cards. If I get same cards for Nasilia or some Valerie or somebody else, when I look at the cards, the meanings will change.
Yes.
Same cards, but the prophecy, the knowledge that I give will be accurate,
Mm.
accurate knowledge, but the meanings will all be changed. So how was I able to? There's no power in the cards. There is no power in the
Mm.
cards. What gives power to the cards is my it when I see the cards and the pictures, it triggers my subconscious and it allows the Holy Spirit to talk to me, and then my subconscious talks to my conscious, and then I release it out into your life.
Oh.
Okay, so when I do that, now I'm able to convey my prophetic words or prophetic word. It's called reading in normal term. It's called reading, but for you I'm calling it, um, for us it is prophecy. So are you getting this? Are you trying to understand what it is? You see how amazing it is.
Hmm.
Yes.